how to change home screen grid size to 4x6 or 5x6 on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on home screen. So you will see home screen is here, so click on home screen. Now here, so scroll down, you will see home screen grid is here. So if you want to change home screen grid, so you will see 4x6 is here, so 5x6 is here. So if you want to select 5x6, so click on 5x6, you will see home screen grid is set on 5x6. So if you want to set 4x6, so click on 4x6, you will see home screen grid is set on 4x6. So after setting, click on done, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can change home screen grid size on to 4x6 to 5x6 on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.